Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Droply, and I'm going to be talking about an account I worked on for circumventing systems policy and how I came across to fix it. So I'm just not going to share the customer ID number because I don't think it's necessary here. But you can see that the website we're looking at is clearfire.pt, and the account was suspended for circumventing systems policy. So what we did is that we created another Google account, okay? And then what happened is that we did a investigation and we found out that the ads were basically triggering Google to disapprove it for a compromised site. Now, what happened, it didn't suspend our test account, so to speak, okay? So normally what happens when a site is compromised, it can cause a Google account to be suspended. But in this case, it did not suspend our account, but we know that the reason why the customer's account was suspended because the website has has been compromised. So because of that, that has suspended the customer's account. So what we did, we reached out to Google, and I'm going to show the chat transcript if I still have it somewhere, which I think I did, unless I've lost it, which is frustrating. Here it is. Yeah, and they confirmed. So we reached out to them. This is the website clearfire.pt. Now we have a website called adsuspension.com. If you go to adsuspension, adsuspension.com. Let me just move my mouse. So adsuspension.com. Click on useful links and make sure you have no unsafe content. Okay, it comes into here. So we ran that report for our client, clearfire.pt, and it said no bad content found. Okay. So with that, what we did is that we showed Google the screenshot. We showed Google the screenshot, and he confirmed. Let me get the chat transcript up. That there was no bad links. So that's the attachment we added. I said, hey, there's no safe content. I asked him to confirm, if he can check the website. So he checked the website. Yeah, upon checking the landing page, the page seemed clean. I asked him to confirm the URL. So it's weird that he's saying it's clean, but yet Google is saying it's compromised. So he sends it to the wider team. They get back to me. They remove the label, and then we can do the appeal on the client's account, and that will get the account unsuspended. So that's how we go about fixing accounts. So, with that being said, if you have a Google Ads account that is suspended, go to juply.com. This is our website, okay? Our prices. This is what we do, okay? The initial fee is $500 for the inspection. That will get you what we just did. We reach out to Google, we find out what's causing the issue, and we tell you how to fix it. In this case, there's nothing the customer needs to do because the issue is with Google. You saw the rep from Google saying, hey, there is no issues on your website. Great, okay. Let's get that label removed. And then once that's removed, we can fix it. So we just charge $500 for the investigation. Now we don't do the appeal. If you want us to do the appeal, circumventing systems policy right now, it's 1,500. Prices can change. Today is the 27th of May, 2024. As of today, this is our prices. Okay, you can contact us. This is our phone number on WhatsApp. Our phone number in the US. This is my email. All right, so if you need help, please reach out to us. Thank you.